This week we have confused drivers, last-second decisions, lane vultures, dual turn failures, illegal U-turns, and more. Either this driver is confused, or maybe they're just using MapQuest. There's still a lot of confusion about the meaning of right turn only. Hey, the do not stop applies to me, not to you. Some last-second decisions are successful. While other last-second decisions are not. The classic dual turn fail. Hey, that stop sign was more than just a suggestion. And now he's driving in the middle of the road. Nice job. Why are you closing a lane of traffic during rush hour? That is truly worthy of a Bonehead Award. Lane vultures are everywhere. Time to thread the needle. How useful is this side mirror? I don't think that'll buff out.
That was just ridiculous.
Whoa, Nelly!
And finally, this red light runner is very lucky because there was a cop right next to me when this happened.